It's May 2024, and welcome back to an officially closed Spring Hill Mall. Remember this green space? One in which I've featured numerous times on this channel. That back in 2016 they were gonna develop into an outdoor mixed use site. That never happened. Well, now the entire Spring Hill Mall property will eventually, in the next 5 to 10 years, become a mixed use development site. Yeah, I didn't think we were going to be doing another vlog here at Spring Hill Mall so soon. But word is on the street that very soon they are going to start fencing off the mall property. Everything outside of this movie theater, Cinemark, and Kohl's over there will no longer be accessible. So before that happens, and the property gets a bunch of ugly fencing, wanted to vlog this area one more time. I am guessing though that this area here will be accessible for a while, but we'll see. I also want to take a look inside Kohl's, see if perhaps there's a chance we can see inside the mall from there. It is too bad they never did develop this part of the property and kept the mall. They would have kept that green space and maybe turned this parking area into more green space. Would have been really nice. This, of course, was the mall entrance. You would walk right through here. You'd have the big Cinemark marquee on the left and the chalkboard. Attention all, as of March 22nd, 2024, 7 p.m. It saddened me, interesting English there, to have to close the doors for the last time at Spring Hill Mall. No access will be granted to anyone. And unfortunately, there's not a lot you can see because of the reflections in the window. But we got a little something there. I do see one of the chairs. And a whole lot of darkness and sadness. Ooh, that's actually not a bad look there. You can kind of see the Cinemark marquee over there. Now, Kohl's is either going to be one of those things where we're going to get a beautiful shot of the inside of the mall, or they're going to have it all blacked out already. No clue which way. Such an odd placement for this movie theater, too. It's like not really even visible from any main roads. I always felt that was kind of odd. Of course, basically, this is where the old food court used to be, that I sadly never got to experience. I mean, it looks nice inside, yeah. Now, I never really ever seen anyone go inside or outside of here, but I also always had my Spring Hill Mall visits during the weekdays and in the morning or early afternoon. But yeah, with the placement of this theater and this unused green space, just bad planning overall. I heard someone comment on a Spring Hill Mall video that, one of the main reasons they went to the mall was for the food court. So once that closed down in 2016, they didn't really have much of a reason to go here. I mean, I'm not going to say that it's the only reason that the mall failed, but this 2016 renovation probably did not help it. Alright, let's get inside Kohl's. Well, there's the mall entrance right over there. It actually looks kind of promising. Man, could it really be that easy? Yes, it can be. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Wow, that is wild. And a quick look at that center court. How awesome is that? That is really cool. Sad, but still cool. Get to see a little bit of the inside of the Spring Hill Mall. Closed for almost 2 months now. Guess no one's wanted the furniture yet. I kind of would take those blue chairs. Thought someone would have grabbed those by now. I think there's still quite a bit of the inside. They definitely haven't gutted this place yet. Well, that was really cool. Definitely was not expecting it to be that accessible. Well, who knows how long it'll be before someone decides to block off that view, but for now it's accessible. Glad I checked it out. Make sure to check out all of my previous Spring Hill Mall videos in my retail and mall playlist. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.